This video shows how to install and test the MicMuter. First, connect the included headset into the MicMuter device. You can use your own laptop or gaming headset, but first we recommend you use the included headset to make sure everything is working perfectly. Find an open USB port on your PC or laptop. If you have any headsets, microphones, or speakers attached to the PC, disconnect them first. To install the MicMuter device, simply plug it into an open USB port on your PC. Windows will automatically recognize the device and install the driver. Make sure that Windows is using the muter as the default device. To do this, open the sound settings in Windows. Under Choose Your Output Device, select the muter if it is not already selected. Then do the same thing for input. Download the installer from the MicMuter.com website. To install the MicMuter software in Windows, simply launch the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. When installation is complete, you will get a message saying it was successful. To launch the Muter app, double-click the Muter icon. When Muter is running, it shows a little microphone icon in the Windows taskbar. This is typically in the lower corner of Windows. If you don't see it, you can use Windows taskbar settings. To open taskbar settings, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Or you can type Taskbar Settings in the Windows search box. In the Taskbar Settings panel, select Taskbar. Find the switch for Muter. Ensure it is turned on. Click on the link that says select which icons appear on the taskbar. You may have to scroll down to find it. To test your settings with Muter, you can use Windows Voice Recorder or your Virtual Meetings app. Teams and Zoom both allow you to test the microphone and speakers without joining a live meeting. Put the headset on. Position the microphone to make it comfortable. Gently move the microphone into place if you need to. The Voice Recorder app is free and is included with Windows. It should already be installed. If not already installed, download and install it from the Windows Store. To launch it, type Voice Recorder in the Windows search box. First, try to record yourself unmuted. Click the knob on the MicMuter to the forward latched hot mic position. While you are unmuted, the MicMuter icon in the taskbar will show the red line removed, indicating the microphone is on. In the Voice Recorder app, click the microphone button to start recording. While the app is recording, speak into the microphone on the headset. Say something brief in a normal volume, like testing 1, 2, 3. Stop the recording. Play it back. If you hear your voice played back through the headset ear cups, the muter is working. Next, try another recording, this time with the MicMuter muted. Switch the knob on the MicMuter back to the default center position. While you are muted, the MicMuter icon in the taskbar will show the red line through it, indicating the microphone is off. In the Voice Recorder app, start another recording. While the app is recording, speak into the microphone again. Stop the recording. Play it back. This time, you won't hear anything because you were muted during the recording. You may want to automatically launch the Muter app every time you reboot the PC. To make Windows automatically start Muter upon startup, first press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. Type shell:startup and then hit Enter to open the startup folder. Copy the muter icon from the desktop into the startup folder. Now Muter will automatically launch on startup every time you restart Windows. Now your MicMuter is ready to use. For specific configuration settings and to learn how to use with Teams and Zoom, see the How to Configure video or refer to the user manual. If you have any issues, please contact our support team. Enjoy, and always remember to mute yourself.